Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Phakamani Mahlambi bafethu. Ngadlala against yena lo muntu lo kuma-junior ranks. Lo muntu lo yi-superstar. Yabona uma kuthiwa omunye umuntu unayo into iphila ngaphakathi kwi-natural akumelanga force. So yena beku-natural. I remember adlala nabo laphana kuma-junior ranks. Bengimake yena-ke ngikhumbula kahle. Angizange ngalithatha ibhola kuye, not even once. Bekathi alibambe eze kimi angishiye fast or angishaye nge-skill gone. Angazi ukuthi wangi-expose kayingakhi. Isayidi lami bekuyimbobo nje ahamba ngami. Ne-defense yami abhithe mina, abhithe ne-defense yami kwasana. Angazi noma ngashaya 3 goals na. Lo muntu lo, we could see even then ukuthi he was destined for bigger things, great things. I remember i-Wits makudlalwa ne-Wits, i-Wits beyi-serious kakhulu, besazi ukuthi ayakudlalwa besiyihlonipha i-Wits, i-development yakhona beyi-serious ngenye indlela. And then ne-SuperSport United besiyihlonipha because of beyi-strong. I remember even though I don't think ukuthi abantu bayayazi lento le ukuthi i-SuperSport United there was a time la ine-deal ne-Tottenham Hotspurs le yase-England bafethu, because of medlala ne-SuperSport United beyishaya ijezi elikini, ishaya ijezi lelo khunjani le Tottenham, because of bebane-relationship bebanobudlelwane. I don't know i-relationship yabo yaphelelaphi kanjani, but yeah, there's so many great players I played against. But njengoba this week ngibone uPhakamani Mahlambi, I remember the game engadlala against yena, ngasho ukuthi lo bastard lo. Khona abantu bedlala against bona or bedlala nabo besazi ukuthi usibani uzophumelela, lona lo uzophumelela. Like it's written in the stars, unless ke khona into ezomphazamisa along the way. But ke impilo yakhe-ke bafethu, to be honest, siyazi ukuthi wenza amaphutha amaningi. Lo muntu lo ubani uGavin Hunt uthi bekahola 500,000. I think bekahola from boma 20,000 mabaqeda ukumpromota laphana ku-Wits to ukuthi adlale isizini or so asayine Al Ahly. The first South African ukudlala laphana ku-Al Ahly uye 500,000 ena 1920 uhola boma 500,000, but because of his behavior, I mean, the boy was not ready bafethu, to be fair. I remember watching him kuma interviews akumbona ukuthi is not trained, ukuphendula kwakhe. There was a time la ama-Al Ahly fans wa give up kuye, athi akhuluma straight ku-interview, athi uyazi ukuthi laba ambiza khona Bafana sekahambile ku-Al Ahly. I think beseJohn Mamelodi Sundowns athi uyazi ukuthi ama-Al Ahly fans anenkinga naye, but yena akanandaba, wenza umsebenzi. Ezinye izinto awuzisho bafethu, ezinye izinto awukhuluma. But what a good player he was. Kuspenda kwakho 45,000 otshwaleni bafethu in one day, in one night, in one sitting. Ukhuluma icoach yakho uGavin Hunt. Khona abantu uyiphilile impilo bafethu yokudla imali yakhe reckless rough, but ke ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi umuntu akalahlwa, he can still come back. But ke iminyaka lena, the years that he lost because of utshwala ne-influence around yena, nanokuthi he was not ready. That is why kubalulekile ukusurrounda nabantu abakuthandayo. Surround yourself with abantu abakuthandayo uzoba right. Abakuthanda ngokweqiniso, hayi ukuthi abakuthanda ngobunani. Surround yourself be around abantu abakuthanda noma une-1 rand, noma une-100,000, noma une-1 million. Noma kuthiwa une-million, umuntu ozokwazi ukukutshela ukuthi uyabheda. I think around yena akekho umuntu bekamtshela lokho, because of beka-around abangani bakhe isikhathi esiningi. Even nalapha ne-Al Ahly beyanayo yonke imali, but beka-bored, bebhorekile. I remember kwi-interview athi amantombazana awekho lapha, they are all whatever. Angazi they are all married or they are all in umthetho wase-Egypt na the way abosisi abaphatha ngakhona, kusho ukuthi it's not rough or reckless like njengalana e-SA or eJohannesburg, the life that he was exposed to. So maybe uya ngapha bekabona kahle ukuthi ngaziphilela free, ngaba right nga-everything, kula bekaphuma khona endleleni. But what a player. I wish abantu bambona kuma-junior ranks. What I saw, I don't think even naku-PSL he was explosive, but not the way ngambona ngakhona. Lo muntu wadlala against mina angizange libone. Bekuthiwa, I remember even la kuthiwa silifuna ngetoshi i-Wits ibamba ibhola boma 10 minutes singalitholi. That was just the beauty of i-development yabo, nanokuthi bebakwazi ukuscout ama-young talent, and then they would turn the young talents to be superstars. Because maningi ama-teams anawo ama-young talent like Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs at the moment now one of the biggest young stars in the country, but they can't turn those youngsters to be superstars. Because obviously ngeke baba-promote bonke abafana, siya-understand, but they have to make a plan. They have to have a system yokuthi abafana babo bapromotiwe ngobuningi. I mean, look at the squad se-Barcelona. ukuthi bapromote abafana bayingakhi badlala ngabafana abancane. They stop lento lokuthi bazothengana nama-player ngo-100 million. Yes, khona bazobathenga. Immediately when they went broke, they went to their development side because of they have i-powerful projects abafana babathembayo. Bheka abafana boYamali, baningi nalo dlala baningi, ngababala kuze baningi. Sikhuluma la sengabafana abawu-10 or abawungakhi abaku-senior team abadlalayo, aba-contribute-ayo. Hhayi ukuthi kunokudlala kuqala abawu-8 baku-development yabo or abawu-7. Uyabona ukuthi babhilda i-development powerful. So Kaizer Chiefs wonke ama-team in fact like, but the transition kumele ibe important. Ngimfisela inhlanhla uPhakamani ukuthi akwazi bafethu ukubuya ku-professional setup, but is 28 uzothena 29 early next year. I don't think obviously will ever be the same again. Imagine lo muntu lo if waqhubeka ngabe manje he could have easily been one of the biggest stars with South African football. It was because I even saw Percy Tau when Percy Tau was playing Goma junior ranks. Mahlambi was better than Percy Tau. Mahlambi was not just was better than, okay, mina kubo bonke abantu engadlala nabo kuma junior ranks, those who have made it, I think over 50 ncane futhi abantu abadlala ku professional setup engadlala against bona. But kubo bonke engeke ngadlala against bona akekho kwangicindezela njengophakamani Mahlambi. Angiza noma kuthiwa umuntu uyakubhitha but ungawini nebhola elilodwa. I remember that game ba-dominator. The only thing eyanginika i-confidence because of sathola i-penalty ngakwazi ukuyoshaya lelo penalty leyo. But-ke noma sengilishayile i-penalty i-confidence yami ibuyile, angizange ngilithole ibhola. So what a lost talent bafethu. Fortunately you can never regain i-talent elinje because abantu ngibonile abantu bathi i-TS Galaxy kumele imnike i-opportunity. Sesibonile ama-teams ake amnika ama-opportunities bafethu, ake amnika, but he is no longer the same. I remember there was a time la gene khona i-weight namanje bejima betraina ne-Durban City laphana eDurban azama inhlanhla. uGavin Hunt ucoach wakhe umuntu amthembayo, umuntu owami-introducer ku-professional setup naye akamsayinanga, uthe no akamsayinanga. So there's something offish obviously about yena at the moment, but let's trust ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzomkhumbula. Yeah, akwazi bafethu to, I mean, to go back or to come back to his game. Hey, but yabona baqinisile mabathi time lost uyi-regain. You will never regain isikhathi lesi asiluza bafethu ku-professional setup. I mean, izinto bebam-ofera zona, isikhathi abamnika sona ukuthi abe na-everything anayo. Unfortunately-ke zonke sokuvele kacwile bafethu emanzini. Kwanyamalala nje fast ibhola-ke libuhlungu. But-ke into ebuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi umuntu athole i-opportunity yakhe angayisebenzisi. But uyafunda from amaphutha wakho. I mean, I think at the time, I think he was easily the richest or the highest paid South African at the time, in 19. Uke wayizwa play or uke wayibona pha. Asikaze siyibone into kanjalo. So that is why even i-arrogance akekho umuntu bekazomtshela zonke lezi zinto lezo, but umuntu akalahlwa. Sithemba ukuthi uzobuya adlale mhlambe lo 2, 3, 4 years nyana nobhuti wakhe. Kubi incredible ukuthi adlale nengane yakubo laphana lidlala laphana ku-TS Galaxy, edlala kahle kakhulu this season. Ngicela ukuyibamba lana bafethu. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, is making sure ukuthi le page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers.